Hi everyone. Today in this class we will discuss about the concept polynomials. Okay. So an algebraic expression in which variables involved have only non-negative integral power is called as polynomials. So polynomials are nothing but they have only non-negative integral powers. For example, consider one example: x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, here the power involved here 2 and 1, both 2 and 1 are non-negative integral, hence this is a polynomial. Consider one more example here: x square plus root x, x square plus root x. X square, this is whole number, non-integral power. This x square satisfies the definition, but root x can be written as 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is not a whole number, therefore it is not a polynomial. Next one, x plus 1 by root x. X, it consists power as 1. 1 is a whole number. Okay, 1 by x can be written as x raised to minus 1, but minus 1 is not a whole number or a integral power, therefore it is not a polynomial. Therefore a polynomial is considered as an algebraic expression in which the power of the variable must be non-negative integral power, then only it is called as a polynomial. So there are some parameters are there which are related to the polynomial. The first one in that terms of a polynomial. Consider a polynomial x square plus 2x plus 1. In this expression there are three terms are there: 1, 2. Okay, this one expression, second expression, three expression. Totally three expressions are there. Totally three expression makes three terms of a polynomial. Next one, x. This is also one polynomial. Here only one term involved. Here only one term involved. Okay. Next, 2x. Here also one term involved. X plus 5. Here totally two terms are involved. Understood everyone? The next parameter is coefficient of a polynomial. Consider one polynomial x square plus 2x plus 1. Here the coefficient is nothing but the constant which is multiplied to the variable. Here x square is the variable, here 1 is multiplied to with the variable x square, then 1 is called as coefficient, that is CF, coefficient of x square. Here variable x is there, 2 is multiplied with the x, then 2 is the coefficient. For 1, automatically 1 will be the coefficient of 1. Okay. Next example, 2x square plus 3x plus 7. For 2x square, the coefficient automatically it becomes 2, because 2 is multiplied with the x square, the constant is multiplied with the variable. This 2 becomes the coefficient of x square. Next one, 3x. For 3x, the coefficient of x is here 3. For 7, the coefficient of 7 is automatically 7. The next parameter related to the polynomial is degree of a polynomial. Degree of the polynomial is nothing but the highest power of a variable of a polynomial. Consider one example: 3x cube, 4x square plus 2x plus 1. In this polynomial, three variables are there, each one having different powers. Okay, this one is 3, this one is 2, this one is 1. Among these, which one is highest? The highest one is 3. Then that 3 become the degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial becomes 3. Understood everyone? Next one, x cube, 3x raised to 5, 4x raised to 4, 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Totally there are 4 variables are there. In that, highest one is 5. Then degree of this polynomial become 5. The next concept is constant polynomials. a polynomial containing only one term, only one constant term, then that is known as a constant polynomial. For example, 5. Consider this is a constant and this polynomial consists only one term, that is also a constant, then it becomes a constant polynomial. Next, minus 7. Next, 3. All these are a constant polynomial. The next question is, what is the degree of the constant polynomial? Degree of the constant polynomial is always 0. Consider 5 x raised to 0. Okay, when x is raised to 0, it is always 1. 5 into 1, 5. Both are same. Therefore, the degree of the constant polynomial is always 0. The next one, 0 polynomials. The constant polynomial is called as 0 polynomials. Means a 0 polynomial is a constant polynomial. But here the term consists only 0. For example, 0. This is a polynomial and this is a 0 polynomial. Understood? So next one, types of polynomials. Okay, there are two types are there. They are classified in a two way. First one on basis of term, next one on basis of degree. On basis of term, there are three types are there: monomial, binomial and trinomial. So how they are different? So monomials are a polynomial with a single term. For example, x, 5x, x by 7. All these are monomial. Okay, so here they consist only one term. Next one, the name itself says binomial. Bi means two. If a polynomial consists two terms, then it becomes a binomial. X plus 5, x square plus 5x, x plus y. All these are binomial. The name itself says a polynomial with a two term. Next one, trinomial. A trinomial is a polynomial where the terms are 3, x square plus y plus z, x plus y plus z, 2x plus 3x, y plus 5z. All these are trinomial. Understood? So this classification on the basis of term, totally monomial, binomial, trinomial. If one term is there, monomial. If two terms are there, binomial. If three terms are there, means trinomial. Next one, on the basis of degree. If a polynomial consisting the highest power of a variable is 1, then that becomes the linear polynomial. For example, x, here the power is 1, then it becomes a linear polynomial. Next, x plus 5, 2x plus 3 minus 3x plus 4. All these are a linear polynomial because the degree of the variable is here 1. Just see here, all the variables having degree as 1. So this is known as linear. Next one, quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial means these polynomials having the highest power as a highest power of variable as a 2, x square plus 2x plus 3. Here the variable having the degree as a 2. Therefore such type of polynomials are quadratic. 3x square, okay, 6x square plus 5. All these are quadratic polynomial. Means the variable should have the